Hi everybody.
Hola.
Hi Andrew. How are you? Welcome to our kitchen. If you are new, I'm Carol Easter. This is Andrew. You are cooking recipes that you can cook at home, easy to make. I have my crew over here. They're my kids too. Emily, Sarah, and Andrew, and Anthony.
Yay.
Anthony, say hello.
Hi.
So you is the whole family. Today we're making fish tacos. We're going to start marinating the fish, and it's really easy. We're going to use tilapia, but you can use cod, you can use salmon. Fun fact, this is product of Colombia, and I'm from Colombia. But you can use cod. Just check in the back, perfectly as they say, wild caught. Those are the best wild caught.
Wild caught.
Wild caught. Those are the best fish that you can buy. So we're going to start marinating the fish, and after that we're going to make homemade tortillas. They're super easy to make, and you guys will love to make this at home. Cut the fish, and we're going to use paper towels to dry. I'm using 1 pound of fish. This is like for 4 to 5 people. So the whole idea is we cook it evenly. So look at the difference. You see how thick this part is compared with the other half? Look at how thin it is. So when you go to cook, we're going to cook first the thicker part, and after that we cook in the thin part, and that's how we cook evenly, so they're not overcooked. In olive oil, lime zest, lime juice. It's not like we're making ceviche, right? This is different. We're just doing a marinade. And a little bit of black pepper. You can let it marinate like for 30 minutes to an hour. Mix, like all the flavors come together. Just go everywhere. It smells so good. You like the smell, Sarah?
Most definitely.
How about Anthony?
Oh, that's good.
Beautiful. Our tilapia is done. I will let it marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour, and we're going to make the tortillas. So we're using 2 cups of corn flour for tortillas, and we're going to add to 2 cups of flour, we're going to use 1.5 cup of water. I'm using filtered water, and that's it. That easy. Go, Andrew, go. Do it, Andrew. Andrew, you're done?
Sí.
So after 2 minutes, Andrew finished the dough, and should be look like a kind of clay plastilina. And now we're going to build the titas. So bring the tita maker. We have a tortilla maker. If you don't have one at home, you just can use like 2 plates, but always use a plastic. This is what you're trying to do. Grab like this when you make it. You see, you make the bowl.
Like pinch a piece
Like
off.
a pinch. So now you know pretty much all of them is going to have the same size. Bring the bowl in the middle, cover it, push, not really hard, just gentle. Okay, now it's
It's
better.
a little small.
No, it's perfect actually. Put in the comal. Andrew is going to make the titas out there, and I'm going to make the coleslaw. You can use a spatula, or you can use your hands. Beautiful. I love cooking. Kitchen is so fun. So now you see they're bubbling, they're ready. You see? Put them back, and you tita warmer.
Hey.
While Andrew is making the titas, tortillas, I'm going to make the coleslaw. This is a simple coleslaw. I'm using red cabbage, red onion, and cilantro. Easy. Perfect for the fish tacos. We cut it, the roots. You see, you have these big parts. This is part of the cabbage. So trying to make it as thin as you can. You know, my grandmother, she was the person to do the thinnest, tiniest cabbage chopper. I mean, that was perfect. This is thick compared with her cabbage. That was amazing. She was one of the best cooks I ever met in my whole life. Slice as thin as you can. Always use a sharp knife. I'm making a simple dressing just with water, white vinegar. You can use the vinegar you have at home. Salt, fresh pepper, lime juice, and that's it. We just want to bring the flavor, citrus flavor. And we let it set like for 30 minutes before we serve. Right, red, purple color for the red onions, red cabbage. Oops. Mix it very well and let it set. We have our salsa para tacos, creamy, delicious. Andrew is finishing the tortillas. We already made the coleslaw. Now the last thing is cook the fish. Because the fish in this case is tilapia, so the fish cooks really fast and we want a fresh, nice, flaky fish. Put a little bit of olive oil, not a lot because the fish already has some. And this is the secret, so your fish doesn't get stick in the pan. Happens the same in the grill. Now we're going to cook the thick parts first. Beautiful. Put a little bit of. You want flaky, so you touch it, you can feel it's almost ready. And we're going to start cooking the next one. Hopefully this is a good one. Yay! I love to cut just the fish direct from the pan. Look at beautiful flaky. This is exactly what we look for. Flaky fish. Cabbage. Now, Andrew, the best part. Good job. You see how beautiful those tortillas? Good job, Andrew. Now we're going to finish it with more lime. I love lime. And perfect fish tacos. So, tortilla is perfect, doesn't fall apart.
Salud.
Salud. The crunchy from the coleslaw, creaminess for the avocado, for the sauce, and a flaky fish and super soft tortilla make the perfect taco. You have to make this at home. Right? Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, share, and say the thing, Andrew.
Cooking is an act of love and family and health.
Cooking at home with family is an
Oh,
of and health.
nailed it.
I hope you like this recipe. Please leave a comment if you want to see any recipe for us to teach you. And thank you so much. Bye. See you next
Bye.
video.